Hey guys, as you can see here behind me, the blueberry field, we have been very busy doing U-picks. It's that time of year here in Florida for the U-pick season, and that's been keeping me very busy. One thing's for sure, it's definitely getting summertime here in Florida, 85 degrees today. So I've been cutting some of the Reflectix foil window covering to fit in some of our windows. Some of these I can leave, like these upper ones I can just leave in here. But of course not these, but at least while I'm parked, that'll give me a start until I can get some more. And I've also been working on the generator. This bus came with a PowerTech 10 kW diesel 3-cylinder generator. Let me turn the camera around here. And it is not putting out any power. So after looking at a lot of the connections and wiring that they had going on in here, a lot of them were corroded. A lot of the wires were corroded, had that green color on them, you know, that you get from corrosion. So I've replaced all new relays. I got a new hour meter because the old one was had gotten hot and swollen up. So I did record the hours from the old one so that I have you know, proof of the hours. Also new switches, breakers, I guess I should say. However, still not putting out any power. And what I've been told is probably going to be this device here, the voltage regulator. As you can see, it's definitely gotten hot. Plastic is melted, and it does come right off the connection here. I did clean the connectors; they were a bit corroded. Actually, there's still a little bit on there, but. So this little device here is about $300. So that's a wonderful expense I'm not looking forward to. But otherwise, I've cleaned the air filter, or actually replaced it. I've still got some touch up and cleaning here to do, but the engine's very dirty, but that's okay. In time, as they say. And the big one is the air conditioner. I will open up this compartment here and show you guys. I had a crew come out. I don't know if you saw on the RV Steve Travels Facebook page, I posted some pictures showing the work that they were doing. I'll also put them on and insert them here in the video as well. While some of you may remember, I had spoke before about my Coleman 2-ton basement air conditioning system right here behind me. Well, we had a company come out, Shane's AC in Lake Wells, Florida. They did a very good job hooking up our the unit to the inside fixtures, which I'll show you here in just a second. And they just finished just a few days ago. Did an excellent job. Here, let me go ahead and show you that. So this is the return coming in from the floor. From up above, this is the return going into the unit. I'll go show you the other side. All right, and this is the supply. Again, I'll show you here inside in a moment. Right there you can see the return line where it was ducted in, and then the supply coming out of the air conditioner. Of course, that does not belong there. That belongs inside. That is the, you know, the controls, the temperature controls. It goes on the wall inside, but it is out here until we get walls up and get a, you know, place to put it. All right, so now we're inside. I'll go ahead and show you the ducting for the AC that I had done by Shane's AC. Entry, come in, and this is the return. There's going to be two return grills. One here, with a filter, and then one closer to the bedroom, the master bedroom, which is indicated by that blue line there. So there's going to be two. This will probably make more sense once we get a little closer. That'll all be, boxed in with wood and nice blooper. So that'll be sealed in with wood here on the top. So it'll look nice. Also, this is definitely a construction zone, so pardon the mess. This here is the supply. This is the registers. And we're going to have the registers come out on the top here. There's going to be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one in the master bedroom. 5. And I'll give you a glimpse of those right here. And those vents will just sit right on top. Of course, this will be closed in with wood as well. And there's one more project you might see right here on the floor. This is where the wood was bad and we cut it out. So we have cut some 2x6s down, shaved them down with the planer, and got them silicone down into the floor so they're nice and level. So that way the new floor that comes in here will have a nice flush surface to sit on. And silicone down on the edges so they don't rattle and move and creak. And of course I sealed up the holes that made it rot to begin with coming up from the bottom. So that's all done. I'm going to seal these cracks here with some putty, like wood putty that's flexible, that's used for this sort of thing, and seal all the edges down. It'll be nice. It'll be underneath the floor anyway. You won't even know it's there. So that's about it, and that's what we've been doing here the last few weeks. Sorry, again, I haven't been posting any videos. We've just been going crazy with the U-picks and these little projects. I also have one other thing that I've been working on. It is in the engine bay outside. I've put some white LED lights out there, but they've all fizzled out. I believe they sent me 12 volt instead of 24 volts, so I've got to check in on that and contact the seller and see what's going on with that. And yes, as you see here, I do hit my head if I'm not careful, and I am 6'6", so any bus I'm in is going to be the same way. I actually, right here is a good height, but of course it won't be that height. It's going to be just right down from here, so I'm going to have to be careful with my head in here. So I appreciate everyone tuning back in. Sorry, like I said, it's been so long. I'll go ahead and end it out now. Hopefully everyone's had a good Easter and the start of your summer. I know it's still cold in a lot of places, but not here in Florida. It's been 85 today, and last few days it's been even hotter. So summer's here. Get ready for it. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. New video coming soon. And yes, I mean it this time. It will be soon. It won't be a month or two. Catch you later.